In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a broadcast in StreamYard. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a live stream from start to finish with clear titles and the right destination so you can go live with confidence. First, open your browser and head to StreamYard.com. Log into your account to reach the home dashboard. Before you move on, make sure your internet connection is stable and that your camera and microphone are plugged in or paired, so StreamYard can detect them when you enter the studio. On the home dashboard, look for the Create button. This is your starting point for anything new in StreamYard. Click Create, and you'll see options for different types of content. Choose Live Stream to start a new broadcast. This tells StreamYard you plan to go live, not just record. It sets up a live event that you can send to one or more platforms in real time. Next, select Studio. The studio is where you control your camera, microphone, and layout, and where you'll see your guests if you bring any on. If your browser asks for permission to use your camera and mic, allow it so your audio and video are available inside StreamYard. This choice is perfect if you're planning to appear on camera, share your voice, or host a panel. Now pick your streaming destination. StreamYard lets you broadcast to places like YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, and other platforms you've already connected. Choose the destination that fits your audience best. If you've linked multiple accounts before, you can select from those right here. Enter your stream details. Add a clear, descriptive title so viewers immediately understand what your live is about. Then write a brief description that sets expectations, what you'll cover, who it's for, or any resources you'll mention. Keep it concise and helpful. This information appears on the destination and helps viewers decide to tune in. Click Create Live Stream. StreamYard will generate your broadcast based on the details you provided. You'll see it listed on your dashboard, ready for you to enter the studio. Open the broadcast to enter the studio. Take a moment to check your mic levels, confirm the correct camera is selected, and frame your shot. When you're ready, click Go Live. StreamYard will give you a brief countdown, and then you're live on the destination you chose. Speak clearly, keep an eye on any live indicators, and you're all set to connect with your audience in real time.